Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to try a new platform for me that is DEVAR, mywebAR.com. So, I am Antonio Furioso, founder of Eyedex, and I help e-commerce implement 3D experiences like augmented reality and 3D configurators. So, I want to show you today how to create augmented reality experience like with this platform, mywebAR.com. And as you can see here, we have already different option. We can use it for marketing, retail, enterprise, art and media, and education. And we can create different experience. So flat images, curved image tracking, word tracking, face filters, or virtual try-on. So to try eyeglasses, for example, multi-scene and object tracking. That is very cool because like for real object you can add augmented reality. But let's start. So like sync in, but like yeah, before let's see the pricing actually. So let's choose a plan. So for example, we have the possibility to start a free account or go for one of these accounts starting a 14 days trial. I want to see what change between the free and the pro and ultimate account, because it's like what most e-commerce would need. So for example, the creator account, you have not commercial use, but you have in the pro account, and also the views are more. Then we can of course implement more projects. So for example, if you have a furniture store, you can implement 50 projects, so 50 objects, or if you want, if you have more, you can go for the ultimate plan that also give you more views and more gigabyte to upload your 3D models. And then for the paid plan, of course, we have all the plane tracking, face tracking, flight image, curved image, and the multi-scene. So in this case is mostly for marketing, like the ultimate, and the object tracking instead, that is more advanced, so it's a mixed reality experience. It's only in the ultimate plus plan. Then of course we have the analytics from the pro plan, and we can also white label the experience, so without their logo, in the from the ultimate plan. But let's start, and I will try the pro plan. So I will start my 14 days trial and subscribe to the platform. So I will cut this part. So I'm in the home page of the platform, and as we can see here, there are different templates. Like we can watch videos to maybe how to make augmented reality experience, or like to take inspiration from them. There are ideas in different industries, and also maybe some templates, yes, where we can clone and copy these templates to make our experience. Then we have the My Project tab, and where we can create a new project. In this case, I don't have any. And also my multi-scene project, and AI content. In this case, we can generate model directly into the platform, which is good. Select the model maybe from the platform, but I'm on a free trial, but I don't know why it's not letting me try this. Upload texture or generate texture with AI. Then of course we can add our own domain, so that the experience will be on our own domain and not on their domain. See the analytics here, and we have some like academy where you can learn how to use at best the platform, and at the end also a marketplace where maybe like you can buy the experience that user already made. So let's go into the practice and let's start by creating a new project. So let's create a new project, and we have different things, templates that we can take. And in this case, we have in enterprise the most advanced things. So for example, body tracking for clothes, which is very useful, hand tracking, 3D tracking, and also coming soon for Apple Vision Pro. Very nice. And also the spatial tracking. But let's move on and let's create our augmented reality experience. So tap the scene to start creating. Okay, as I can see, we have here a panel where we can add images, video, 3D models, audio, text, light source, and shapes. So in this case, I want to start by uploading a 3D model. So I will start to upload my 3D model, and I will upload my usual sofa so that we can see also the difference. And the sofa is uploading, and here we have option like to use original or use optimized with the pro version. In this case, I will use original. And as you can see here, we have our sofa. So for example, if you have just a store and you want just to showcase your products, you can just upload your products, like adjust like the lights, maybe create the shadow somehow, and like add some maybe action. So for example, maybe with a button we can open a web page, or like play an animation, or rotate even the object. So even make a call or send a message, which is very nice, or also change the materials. So there are different options depending on what you want to create. You can create very easily. And so for example, we can also open a web page on a click. So in this case, here we can put our domain, your store domain. I would put, for example, my domain, eyedex.com. And here the target will be the 3D model in this case, because I didn't add any other things here. So maybe I can add some images. I can upload some images if I have, but I don't. So maybe I will use something here, but none that is like a button, like buy now or something. I think it would be very useful to implement directly in the platform. Also, if you understand, maybe the main purpose of the platform is for marketing experience. But okay, in this case, maybe I will use one of these stickers. I will use this one. Okay, I will move it and I will resize it in this case. Okay. And I will move it here. So now let's see again the action. Where it was? Okay, trigger on the image, and we'll put self, so on the image should be. And we can add also some other action, maybe some sounds on the click of the button, or something else if you want. But in this case, maybe we can preview. So let's preview the project, launch it. The project is loading, and okay, we have a very we have to make it bigger. But I can see here the button. We could click it and it will open the website. So in this case, we have just to make everything bigger, and we can then relaunch it, the experience. I will make it bigger here. Okay, let's preview again. Let's launch it. Yeah, that's the bigger. I would like to see with my phone later, but as you can see, I can click here and I will be redirected to my website. So you can be also add a button by now that will redirect to the checkout to buy your stuff. So what else I can do? I can add the branding before to publish my experience, and this is come all with Ultimate. So if you want to have maximum personalization, you need the Ultimate plan. Then we have marketing, so add the Google Analytics, the Pixel, Facebook Pixel, LinkedIn tag, and Twitter. And we have also extension. That what we can do with the extension, like I don't think you need for like a really simple experience like implementing in your e-commerce and showcase your product. And then we have the settings. So where we have the project name. So in this case, I will put trial project as a name. Then we have the link. So in this case, maybe we can have trial. Okay, this is taken, so trial. Then we have the QR code. We can download the QR code in different formats, and the shape we can decide. You know, you have different personalization, how you like the background or add some logo. And then we have advanced setting, which is like the camera mode. So add a button to like make a picture or a video of your experience. The animation on the object loading, full screen mode if it's supported, use analytics, tap to place the object. And we have also more advanced settings here. And then as final, we can add the WebAR SEO. So when we publish the experience, we can edit the title here, add the keywords, favicon, and a description to publish the experience and also make it visible on Google with the SEO index. So I'm here. I have the last button here, so I tried the preview button, and I have here the QR code button, okay? In this case, I will try with the phone, and let's see how it comes. So it's like loading. I can launch the experience, and I can tap to see, and I can even like rotate the object, scale it to see the dimension, and click on the button to be redirected on my website. So basically, this is the experience and how you can create the 3D experience with the mywebar.com platform. Of course, there are more advanced things that you can do to use at the best the platform, especially if you want to use your experience for marketing. That would be like the best solution for it. And also maybe see their tutorials on how they create a more advanced experience if you want them. Or otherwise, if you want to save time and implement augmented reality experiences for your e-commerce or for your marketing campaigns, just contact me with the link below in the description. And if you liked this video, subscribe to the channel and see you at the next video.